Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to apply filter and sort in Excel using OpenPyXL. But before we start this video, I just wanted to let you know that we can just configure the filter and sort conditions. It will not actually get applied. Now for this example, we are going to take this particular Excel sheet where I'm going to apply filter over this data, which will start from A1 till D7. Then I will apply filter on the first column and then apply sort on the second column. Now let's look into the code. Now these three lines are as usual, where we use these lines just to read one Excel file. Then we are activating the first Excel sheet. Now these three lines are important for filter and sort. So first we are just passing the reference data from which column or in which range we wanted to apply filter. So I'm saying from A1 till D7. Then I'm adding one filter condition on first column and the value I'm passing over in a list. And these are the two values, Ross and Rachel. Then we are adding one sort conditions and over here passing the cell range. It will from B2 to B7 over here, these Excel cells. So if I will run this code, then we can see that, let me check the output. Over here, let me zoom in and you can see it has applied filter. I mean configure the filter and sort, but actually these value has not been applied because our filter condition was Ross and Rachel, and you can see all other data, right? So it has not applied it. Let me open this. Then we can see these values. If I'll click on OK, then it will get applied. So using OpenPyXL we can only configure it. Okay,